yes sir, you know what it is. Every time I make a video, that means there's something about it. That means, you know, there's money that has been made. Well, good news for myself, I've broke my record again. But this time around, remember I made 210k in a week. Well, today was my first day of trading, right? And guess how much I made? 212,000 rand in a day. Or let me say less than 24 hours. Let me put it that way. Less than 24 hours. Because, yeah, in less than 24 hours. But let's check it out. Let's see stats. Let's see some stats. So, first account, 4,409 euros. Right? Second account, let's see that. Let's see what's popping here. 6,443 euros. So that in total will give me 663. Let's see how much is that. 6,443 plus. Let's see how much is there. Let's see. We just want to get the total. 409. How much is it? 4,409. Let's get that right. 4,409 equals. Let's put that now over here. I use euros. Let's put that there. Slightly, almost 213,000 rand. I can just add 1 rand and then it's 213,000 rand. So similar to the list, same thing to me, but that's the total that I made today. And as you can see here, in a day, real account. I don't do demos. Real account. Real account. Real account. All you see is blue. All you see is blue.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All you see is blue. Let's check it on this side. All you see is blue. Yes, sir. Can you see? All you see is blue. Now, that's what I call you versus you. Always, like, in terms of the market, you know, you always hear comparison, but me, I'm not about comparison. I'm always trying to be better than myself every single day. I don't care who's making more money than who. As long as I make the bag, then I'm good. As long as I'm better than who I was the previous day, it's me versus me. So you guys should always try to keep it that way. Especially for new traders, don't worry about who's making more money, but try to evolve in yourself, you know, be better than yourself. Every single day, be better than yourself. Keep it 100. 100.